Good morning, everybody. Needless to say, it is a fantastic day in Windsor, and a fantastic day for healthcare delivery in the city of Windsor, Essex County. It's amazing. With me today is Gay Wrye, who's the chair of our board of directors of Windsor Regional Hospital, and want to thank all of you for coming here and hearing the great news. So today, just to give you a little backdrop, how my day started, I was driving into work and I received a phone call from Teresa Piruzza. And it was, I answered the phone and she said, happy birthday. And it was my birthday this past Friday. And I said, oh, thanks Teresa, you had given me happy birthday last week, but I really appreciate it. And she said, no David, happy birthday. Because when she said it to me Friday, I said, Teresa, do you know what I want for my birthday? And she didn't respond, but she knew exactly what I was talking about. So she said, David, here's your birthday gift. You've got level 2 for the city of Windsor. We're going to be announcing it this morning, and then we talked a little bit. So that was a good way to start our Monday. Needless to say, this would not be possible without the community support. The community was heard loud and clear with respect to this issue, and we truly appreciate the community. And people like Doreen Granville. Doreen was the lady who came to the 2 hospitals and started the petition drive. And it's people like Doreen who were heard loud and clear regarding this issue and gave all of us the courage to move this issue forward. So I want to thank Gay Wrye and the board of directors here at Windsor Regional Hospital. Again, they fed off of people like Doreen, they fed off the community, and also looked at the facts. What we were able to do as an organization when this issue faced us is to take a step back, take out as much of the emotion as possible, look at the facts on how we got to this point, and put together a position or an argument trying to get everybody to refocus to say, yes, there needs to be a change in this decision, and give all the facts and reasons to support that change. Individuals like Ken Loenza, Ken was involved, called me, talked to me, was there providing support, and he was the one along with others that said, this is not about political stripes, not about political parties. We're going to put that aside, and this is about what's right for Windsor, Essex. And he was there for us as well. And as I stated, Teresa Piruzza, for all that's been written or talked about regarding her, and is she standing up for this community? Let me say one thing, and I got to say it loud and clear. She stood up for this community. We have to remember this is still political, and she's a cabinet minister, so she has to deal with this issue very delicately. But behind the scenes, trust me, she went to bat for this community, and went to bat strong for this community. And she needs to be credited greatly with respect to getting people to take a step back, take that moment, and look at this issue. So I got to tell you, the backroom conversations I had with Teresa regarding this issue daily, ever since this issue arose most recently, she's been very supportive moving this forward. And the media, all of you folks. You know my personal approach with the media is to keep you informed and keep you involved, and have you help me and help our community understand issues, be on top of issues, be in front of issues, and be a communication link to our community. So I really have to thank all of you individually and collectively for the job you do, because you play an important role in all of this, is getting the message out there on why this decision needs to be changed. So thank you, all of you. And there's a great quote from Mark Twain. It says, it's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. And that's what we got here, is our community.